It is a great pleasure to introduce history of Ferdinand Porsche. Ferdinand Porsche, age, 75 years old. Citizenship, Austria-Hungary. Success, founder Porsche. Ferdinand Porsche timelines. In 1875, Ferdinand Porsche, born September 3, 1875. In 1898, Ferdinand Porsche joined the Vienna-based factory Jacob Lohner and Company. In 1898, Ferdinand Porsche unveiled Edgar Lohner Porsche had engraved the code P1. In 1900, Ferdinand Porsche displayed at the Paris World Exhibition under the name Tigers Content. He had been commissioned for the purposes of racing and record breaking. In 1901, Ferdinand Porsche have won the Exelberg Rally. In 1902, Ferdinand Porsche was drafted into military service. He served as a chauffeur. In 1906, Ferdinand Porsche recruited Porsche as their chief designer. In 1916, Ferdinand Porsche had advanced to managing director and received an honorary doctorate from the Vienna University of Technology. In 1923, Ferdinand Porsche unveiled to construct racing cars, winning 43 out of 53 races with his 1922 design. In 1924, Ferdinand Porsche received another honorary doctorate from the Stuttgart Technical University for his work at Daimler Motor and Gesellschaft in Stuttgart, and was later given the honorary title of professor. In 1931, Ferdinand Porsche returned to Stuttgart and founded company. In 1932, Ferdinand Porsche Auto Union GmbH was formed, consisting of struggling auto manufacturers Audi, DKW, Porsche and Wanderer. In 1933, Ferdinand Porsche at Berlin Motor Show, German Chancellor Adolf Hitler announced his intention to motorize the nation, with every German owning either a car or a tractor in the future. In 1942, Ferdinand Porsche produced a heavy tank design, the VK 4501, also known as Tiger P. In 1945, Ferdinand Porsche asked to continue the design of the Volkswagen in France and to move the factory equipment there as part of war reparations. Differences within the French government and objections from the French automotive industry put a halt to this project before it had even begun. In 1945, Ferdinand Porsche French authorities arrested Porsche, Anton Peach, and Ferry Porsche as war criminals. In 1949, Ferdinand Porsche returned to Stuttgart, not knowing how to restart their business. The banks would not give them credit. In 1950, Ferdinand Porsche visited the Wolfsburg Volkswagen factory for the first time since the end of World War II. Porsche spent his visit chatting with Volkswagen President Heinrich Nordhoff about the future of VW Beetles, which were already being produced in large numbers. In 1951, Ferdinand Porsche suffered a stroke. He did not fully recover, and died on January 30, 1951.